Hi, how are you? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to change the Shopify drop-down menu text color. First, access the Shopify dashboard and click on Online Store on the left. The Themes page opens. Go to your theme. Click the three-dot button. A new menu appears. Click Edit Code. The Theme Files page opens. In the filter, search for base.ss. A file named base.ss will appear. Click it to open your store's appearance script. All your store's styling code is here. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line it's blank. We'll skip 2 lines. Next, we'll access the hosttube.net website. The link is in the description and it has the code we'll use. We'll click the button to copy the code. Just a simple click. The code will be copied. Back in Shopify, paste the code in the blank line. After pasting, we only need to change the first line, which alters the drop-down menu text. By default, I've set it to black. You can change the submenu text color by replacing the color name. It's black by default, but you can use any color. White, blue, any color works. Just use English color names. Put your desired color name here. I'll use red as an example. So I'll put red, remembering it's the English text, the color name in English. After entering the color name, go to the top right where there's a Save button. Simply click on it. Once you click, the changes are successfully saved. Now, when you access your store and click your drop-down menu, you'll see the text color has changed. You've successfully changed the sub-menu text color in the drop-down menu. I hope this video helped. Goodbye.